unbox the April journal junk box with me. Hello planner friends, my name is Sarah and I love sharing tips and tricks to help you stay optimized and organized and have fun at the same time. The journal junk box is one of my favorite stationery subscription boxes, and this month is probably my favorite one I have ever received, even more than the Valentine's Day box. If you haven't seen any of my unboxings, I will list them down below. And really, you can even pick up older boxes from different months if they're available. So check them out. And if you see one you like, you can actually pick up an older box. And if you subscribe using my referral code, you can get $25 off of your first box. So definitely check it out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. As always, the packaging is so cute and it's not damaged because it's wrapped in a plastic bag. So very nice detail. I kind of already peeked inside, shuffled some things around. I couldn't help myself. I always do that. I have that horrible habit of just opening up my packages as soon as I get them. So it has this cute little card. I nourish myself with love, joy, and gratitude every day. That is gorgeous. Always save these. And the theme of this month is mindful munchies. I love food themed stationery. That's like one of my biggest things. So I am so excited for this box. And you get this little card that comes with journaling prompts. And then it just explains what is in the box and then just gives you some ideas of how to use the items. So I really love that. And of course their journal junk box card. So definitely give them a follow. They always have a lot of things on their Instagram page. I'm going to just like take this stuff out and then I'll show you what each thing is one by one. Already this is like me and Tote. We're just, I love them. So, and then you always get like a one non-stationary item. So I think it's this one. And then pens. Oh, this is so cute. Some of my favorite items are like the paper packs. That is always so lovely. And I've always said I'm not like a super big fan of just like getting journals because I already have so many, but this one, I love avocado. I love avocado toast. This is gorgeous. I'm not a big fan of sushi, but and these are like, I think tapas. Okay, let's just go through everything. I won't get ahead of myself. Okay, so the first thing that is in the box is the Mindful Munchies hardcover journal. So this is it. The first thing is something that I am really excited about. Oh my gosh. This I think could be a great recipe book or meal planner. It's a lined notebook. It's a hardcover. But it's an amazing size. Like I feel like I could really use this as a recipe notebook. It's something that I've been envisioning is like taking recipes and like printing out QR codes so I can just scan them, and I think I'll do that. Let me know in the comments if you want to see something like that. I'm just thinking if anybody would actually want to see that, but I just thought, because I'm very digital. I love doing things digitally and efficient. So I think that would be great. But still, I need my paper. So this is a gorgeous journal. Like the hardcover is just, oh my gosh. And Everything is branded to them, Journal Junk. Like, they make this, they custom make this. So I think that these little details in their boxes are just gorgeous. I love this so much. Next up is Savor the Moment Ballpoint Pen Set of 3. Now, I've said it before, I'm not a big fan of ballpoint pens because, you know, I just love my gel pens. But let's try these out. Let's see. I can... How do I open this? Oh my gosh. Okay, I got it open. I love the hearts in the back. I love anything hollow. This could go in my junk journal. So pretty. So I love this white one. This one's really cute. Actually, these are really high quality ballpoint pens. Let's see here. They skip a little bit, so yeah, definitely not my favorite. I really enjoyed their gel pens, the ones they sent in the last box. So if you haven't watched that video, they had some great gel pens in that one. It's funny because in the last one, I didn't love the journal. In this one, I love the journal, but I don't love the pens. So, I mean, it happens. But they're really cute colors, though, except this one. I'm not a fan of orange. But, like, this blue and white, this is cute. Next up is the Mindful Munchies Sticky Note Set, which I adore. I love anything coffee shaped or coffee themed. And this is just adorable. Look at that. I almost don't even want to weight them. Look at how cute that is. Let's take it here for now. Did I grab two? They're really thick too. They're really nice, thick paper. And it's a set of 3. Oops, oh man. Uh-oh. It's got like the little like strawberry cake and then this list one, which is super cute. My favorite one is the coffee one. I love this so much. Next up we have Mindful Munchies Paper Pack. And it's this one. I am obsessed with scrapbook paper. There's almost nothing I love more. Maybe stickers, but scrapbook paper is my absolute favorite. It's just, you can do so much with it. And whenever you have like unique scrapbook paper like this, sorry, I am a little over dramatic sometimes. I know, I'm sorry. But how cute it would be to like make a food journal. I don't know. I'm imagining so many things because this is just so adorable. And it's got a lot of like healthy food, which I love, like salads and like vegetables and things like that. And I don't know, just the art is so well thought out. I love this. And it's got 2 of each. This one's more simple, but this is a great like simple design that you can use like as filler somewhere in your journals. And this one kind of looks like noodles. And then spoons. I really like this color palette. Oh, this is gorgeous. This goes well. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. I loved this. Then we have the Mindful Munchies sticker collection of 50. This is one of my favorite items every single month. This is the main reason why I subscribed to the box for a few months, because I just love these stickers and I usually take them out and put them in my sticker organizer. So look at this. Where were these when I was making my vision board? Oh my gosh. I am gonna give this to my sister because she loves ramen. Well, 2 of them do, so I guess I'm gonna have to choose who to gift it to. Banana juice, a croissant. chocolate cake, the fries. Oh my gosh, the dumpling. Ugh. Pizza. Oh, this is, I need to like separate this out because this is beautiful. I'm gonna put it like in my favorite stash. Avocado toast, my favorite thing in the world. Okay, I'm sorry. I am too excited. You just don't see stickers like this. Come on, like we're gonna get a sticker of a pie that looks this realistic. A cookie. Popcorn with little, oh, no way. Oh my gosh. Matcha. Gosh, oh my gosh. Honey, the donut. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite sticker set ever. I mean, I just love food thing. A sandwich, come on. A list, some little word stickers, oatmeal, bisque. Oh my gosh, okay, this just made my life. I am so glad I went through all of them because there's just too many of them and these go separate. I'm gonna just put them back, slip them back in for now, but then I'll file them away in my sticker system, which if you want to know how I organize my stickers, watch this video linked here, because when you collect a lot of these loose stickers especially, it's kind of hard to store them. So I have a whole system for storing these, especially with their little card. Don't throw that away, you may need it. Next up, we have the reusable travel utensil set. I have these. I actually have a ton of these because I was a corporate worker and I always carried these with my lunch, and they're really great. They're really, oh my gosh. Oopsie. Oh, but this is nice. This one even has chopsticks and it has like the grippy. Oh, this is really nice. I like the length of them, and wow, this is really cool. My sets don't come with chopsticks. This is so nice. I just don't love the color because I'm not an orange loving person, but it's really cool. This is nice. Then we have the Mindful Munchies washi tape, which I kind of started ripping up. I'm not a great person for ripping up washi tape packaging. I'm actually quite bad at it. Oh, but I think it has this strip. I don't know. That's nice that they cover that up. Oh, it's because it's like, oh, this is really neat. So it's like washi tape, but I think you like, do you like, I don't know. Oh, okay. So it's like larger pieces, so you can kind of like cut them out and then just like stick them on, kind of like pet tape, but oh, it's like an additional set of stickers. These are so pretty. I like this so much. Charcuterie board. Oh my gosh. This jar one. Coffee. For me, coffee, anytime I see coffee somewhere, I'm just like, sign me up. Sign me up. The last item we have is the Mindful Munchies multi-use tote. And I love totes. I pretty much hoard them. Anytime I'm at a store, like, I want to get a new tote, but that defeats the purpose of having totes because you're supposed to reuse them. But some of them are just so cute. Like, this one is so adorable. And it's like, it's really wide. It's wide and it's like pretty like small, just for size reference. This looks like an A5 journal probably. And it's like 2 A5 journals and height. So I love that. I love the art theme going on. I mean, you can even use this if you have a job. I would take totes like this with me, like as lunch bags. You know, at least perfect size for your lunch. This is so cute. I kind of wish I was at an office again. This is just too cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I almost want to gift it to someone who I know would love it. I love it so much, but I know someone who would be over the moon with this. I almost want to get like 3 sets of these boxes and just gift them. It's been one of my favorites. This is everything in the box. You can see it all the way down here. This has definitely been probably one of my top favorite boxes. I absolutely loved everything that was in the box. The only thing that I wasn't too in love with were the ballpoint pens, because I'm just not a ballpoint pen girly. The pens are really pretty, but I don't love ballpoint pens. But like, this journal is gorgeous and it's so perfect for a theme, you know, like if you want to start a recipe book, a recipe journal, meal planning, anything like that, it's on theme. And you can use your washi tape to decorate it, stickers, you got your sticky notes, the scrapbook paper, like everything in this box I adored. It's so perfect. The stickers, oh my gosh, I can't even choose. I mean, if I had to choose my top 3 favorite items, I can't. Maybe top 5 would be the tote. I love the tote, the journal, the stickers, the sticky notes, and the scrapbook. So those are my top 5. Everything else I like, but this was such a good complete box. Like, I feel like I seriously got my money's worth, and it was very worth it just in these stickers alone. I have no words. So let me know in the comments which item you liked the most, and if you are gonna get a journal junk box, or if you've bought any of them in the past, and what did you think about it? So let me know in the comments. What did you think about this month's box? I absolutely adored it. I have a thing for food in stationery. I think especially like coffee is so cute. I love any type of coffee stickers. So this box was 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss. I love it. I love it so much. So let me know in the comments what you think about this box, and let me know if you'll be giving it a try. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more planning tips and tricks and unboxings, and hope to see you around. Thank y'all so much for being here. Watch this video next.